In today's video, I'm going to teach you Facebook Marketplace how to edit a listing on desktop and mobile. If you've posted something for sale and want to update the price, fix a typo, or swap out photos, you can do it in just a minute. I'll walk you through the flow on the Facebook app, and the experience is very similar on desktop, so you'll feel right at home wherever you're editing. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner of the screen and tap the three horizontal lines. This is your main menu, and it's the quickest way to reach Marketplace. From that menu, tap Marketplace. If you don't see it right away, you might need to scroll a bit, but most accounts have it near the top. Inside Marketplace, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the upper right. This takes you to your personal Marketplace hub where you can manage everything you've listed. Next, tap Your Listings. Here you'll see all the items you're selling along with their status. Find the specific item you want to update and tap it to open its details page. On the item page, tap Edit Listing. This opens the editing screen where you can make your changes. You can adjust the title to make it clearer, refine the description with accurate details like brand, size, condition, and any included accessories, and update the price if you're trying to attract more interest. Consider using round, competitive numbers and checking similar listings to gauge demand. You can also change the category or condition if you picked the wrong one initially, and update the location to make sure buyers nearby can find it. If your photos aren't performing, replace them with clear, well-lit images that show the item from multiple angles and highlight anywhere honestly. Good photos and a concise, transparent description tend to get more messages and faster sales. While you're here, look for options related to availability and delivery preferences. If the item has sold elsewhere, mark it accordingly to avoid unnecessary messages. If you'd like to expand your reach, consider enabling shipping where available and ensure the weight, size, and price align with the shipping settings. Keep safety in mind by avoiding personal details in the description and arranging meetups in visible public places. When you're satisfied with your changes, review everything on the screen. Facebook will prompt you to save, and once your updates are applied, the listing refreshes with the new information. If you don't see the change immediately, give it a moment or refresh the page. That's all it takes to edit your listing quickly and confidently.